Today I'm going to make a video about how to spot a scammer and how to avoid that. As you can see over here, I got an email from Amazon.com. It says action required. Let me just read that email for you, okay? I'm just gonna open it up. Identity verification required. Hello, we recently detected an unusual activity on your account. Unfortunately, we had to suspend your account in order to ensure the safety of your account. This suspension is temporary. We will need some additional information to verify your identity. First, I'm gonna show you. This is like pure fake. Let's see what happens when I click on that verify identity, which I'm going to do it right now. See, page not found. That means it's pure like bullcrap, and a lot of fraudulent and a lot of scammers nowadays. They will try to misguide you and they will try to rip you off. So this is just to let everyone know like how to avoid those things. So whenever you get an email like this, never respond to those kind of email and never click on that. And I knew that was like for sure it was like fake email. Let me just prove it. See that logo over here with the A, the original Amazon email I got. Let me show you that. Just gonna type Amazon. See that blue thing? It'll come with the blue circle, not with the Amazon A. So this is how we can detect the scammers and we can avoid further. And please be safe and be vigilant, because nowadays a lot of people try to rip you off and try to make your life miserable. So I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and please be safe out there. Thanks very much.